Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Boston Whaler 2015 42 Outrage. Brand new trade that we just got in. It's a fantastic boat. Let me show you some of the features. We'll start at the back with quad 300 Mercs. Plenty of power to get this boat right on plane. Top end somewhere around 50 miles per hour, so great horsepower behind there, great motors. You got a bench seat there if you're not fishing. If you do want to fish, folds up, goes right away. Over here you got a live well. You got a dive door for bringing fish on board, or it has a ladder that attaches back out, easy on and off the boat. And then we have a country kitchen, and you got a grill, refrigerator, another large live well right here with a little see-through, so it lights up, looks like a little aquarium. Plenty of drawer space. And when you're not using this, you drop it down, and then this converts into a bench seat right here, so you got 6 people that can sit comfortably right here, 6 adults. It has AC also for everybody. The helm is set up with everything that you're going to need. Triple Raymarine touchscreens. Also has the joystick, phenomenal for as far as docking, getting set, going sideways. It's got skyhook, it's got auto heading, great system. Visibility is beautiful. And then the downstairs is plenty of room for a lot of people to sit comfortably. Also turn into a big bed as well. If you did want to sleep over, you can do that with a full head. Let's move to the bow. Great seating up here. 3 adults, very comfortable, all with drink holders. You've got a tea table that's set up as a sun pad right now. You take the pad off, it's hydraulic. It'll come all the way up and it'll be a nice cocktail. The seats actually turn into lounges here, so a lot of people comfortably up here. The boat does everything very well. Shoot to the keys from here, not a problem at all. You name it, this boat will do it. So if you got any questions, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194. And don't forget to watch us on YouTube.